Are you wondering whether ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign is the better choice for your marketing automation needs? Well, you're in the right place because today we're diving deep into both platforms and comparing their features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you make an informed decision. Let's start with ConvertKit. Known for its clean and user-friendly interface, ConvertKit is an excellent choice for content creators like bloggers, podcasters, and YouTubers. The platform focuses on simplicity, making it easy to create automated email sequences and manage subscribers. But while it's great for those just starting out, ConvertKit can feel limiting if you're looking for more complex automation or a wider range of integrations. Next thing, let's talk about ActiveCampaign. This one's a powerhouse in the marketing automation world. ActiveCampaign offers more robust features like advanced segmentation, sales automation, and customer relationship management. It's a great choice for businesses of all sizes, but it does come with a bit of a learning curve. ActiveCampaign's steep learning curve could be a deal breaker if you're a beginner or you don't have time to invest in learning the system inside out. The fourth thing I want to touch on is the pricing. Both ConvertKit and ActiveCampaign have tiered pricing models based on your subscriber count, but they approach pricing differently. ConvertKit offers more basic plans at a lower cost, making it accessible for smaller lists, but once you scale up, it can get pricey. ActiveCampaign, while offering more features, is generally more expensive upfront, but for many, the increased functionality justifies the higher price. Next thing, let's compare their automation capabilities. ConvertKit's automation tools are simple to use, but as mentioned earlier, they might not be advanced enough for marketers with complex needs. On the other hand, ActiveCampaign excels in this area, allowing you to build detailed workflows, trigger actions based on user behavior, and even implement split testing. If automation is a major priority for you, ActiveCampaign takes the lead here. The sixth thing we should consider is customer support. ConvertKit provides solid customer service through email and chat, but it doesn't quite match the level of support ActiveCampaign offers. ActiveCampaign stands out with 24/7 support and more in-depth help materials, which is a big plus if you need assistance at any point in your journey. Now, here's something important to think about: integration capabilities. ConvertKit integrates with major platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and WooCommerce, but its integrations aren't as expansive as ActiveCampaign's. ActiveCampaign connects to over 850 apps, making it a more flexible option if you use a lot of different tools in your business. Finally, if you're looking for something better than both of these options, you might want to check out a platform that's not only more affordable, but also provides a richer feature set and a more intuitive user experience. After testing both ConvertKit and ActiveCampaign myself, I recommend considering a better alternative for your marketing automation needs. Take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description for exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, both ConvertKit and ActiveCampaign have their merits, but when it comes to the ultimate goal of marketing automation, there's a better choice out there. Don't forget to check the link below for the best free trial and exclusive perks.